Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we will understand we already understood the capacity function. In that capacity function, then resize and string to fit. Then last function, that one is check the length of a particular string. With the help of length function, it gives a particular length of your string. We will check it with practically. It's about the length. This is simply the program. We'll just to clear it out, and if we understand this code, that one is simply the code related. That one is main function contained string, then str is object of particular string, then we copy the one string in that object. That one is gigs for gigs is for gigs, then it's only a display that string. That one is a displaying string. The initial string is this one. Then resizing string using resize function means that one is I already told you about to resize. It's only taking the 13 character from this string and it prints. Then it's about to length. We will just run this code. Length. Okay, this is simply the given string. Then string after resizing, that one is only showing 13 character from that string. Capacity of string is 26. This one is a 26 size of string. Then length of the string, which one is again the resize. If you want to check the particular string length, existing string length, like str stores the particular 13 characters. Then if you want to check it, that str dot length. What is the difference between the length and capacity? That string object, which one is have a capacity of a 26 character and the current length is a 13. Okay, 26 capacity and 13 is currently stores the 13 character, right? That is simply the concept of length function under the string. Then next, that one is we will understand manipulating the function, means which the function which is manipulate the string. Then it contains two function. It's a copy and the swap, which is the manipulate the string. Copy run with some syntax, that is a character array. In the character array we need to copy that string. Then length, in which means how much the length of a particular character from the string we need to copy in the character array. Then length, that one is a position from which position you want to copy the particular length, and or take the particular character and the particular length, and then copy that particular copied or selected character in a character array. This is actually the function of copy function. Then swap, this function swaps one string with the other. If string 1 contains XYZ, then string 2 contains the ABC, then you want to change the string 1 to string 2 and string 2 to string 1. That one is done with the swap. That means simply the swap function. We will check it with a particular code, how exact it run. Then this is simply that we will just run the code. That is length. No, it's not a length, it's about the string. Okay, string. Then string, then you want to run it. Okay, this is simply the new copied character array. Each, that one is only the, we will understand the code first, and then we will correlate with output. This is simply the initialize the first string. String 1 contains this string, that is gigs for gigs is for gigs. Second string contains the gigs for gigs rocks. Okay, these are the two string contains the information. Then string 1, string 2. Then we declare one character array of a size of 80, right? And then we apply a copy function. That one is a string 1. So what is the string 1? It's a gig for gigs is for gigs. Then copy this string content we want to copy into the character array. Then what will be the condition to copy it? That one is this shows the position from which position we want to copy the character from the string. That 0 means it's starting with the 0th position, means here. Then 13 means copy the 13 character from the 0th position in the character array. That is simply the copy function. Means it's copy the 13, these are the 13 characters in a character array with the help of from the string 1 with the help of copy function. Then this is simply the new copied character array is only the gigs for gigs. This is the garbage data which one is printed. Then the first string, that is gigs for gigs, is for gigs. Then second gigs for gigs rocks. Then we want to understand how exact swap these two strings, string 1 content copied to the string 2 and string 2 to particular string 1. Then that one is simply the displaying the string. We already display existing string. That one is, this one is the first, this one is the second. Now we will apply the swap function. That one is the string 1 swap function and string 2, means string 2 content copy into the string 1 and string 1 content copy into the string 2. When we print the string 1 and strings 2, it prints these two output. Now we will run this command and then again we print the string and string 2. If we check it with after swapping, the particular second string content copied in a string 1 and string 2 content copied string 2 content copied in a string 1 and string 1 content copied into string 2. This is simply the swapping with the swapping function. This is the explanation about the manipulating the function with the copy and the swap function. Okay, this is simply the explanation about the particular string and with the string function. It's a manipulation function and the capacity function, and the is about the operation on a string. Input function, then capacity functions, and then manipulating functions. Okay, thank you.